What's up? What's good? How's your day been? Today, I will be attempting to make a rack. You know, like that's $1,000. In case you didn't know, it's a thing like rappers using. So when they talk about racks, like racks, keep me a rack just like tennis. A rack is $1,000. All right, and we're going to be starting from $0. $0. How do you turn $0 into $1,000? I don't know. We'll see. But I'm gonna be completely starting from scratch. I'm not gonna be using like pre-existing money or anything like that. I'm going to be using exactly $0 to get to $1,000. I don't know how many episodes we're gonna have. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it to $1,000. So I was looking into the App Store how to make some moolah, right? And something that came up was surveys. So there's this app called QMe, not sponsored. So basically, this is the only survey app I've seen that's worked. So let's open it up. I already got bussin', and I already made $1.33. I'm not sure how much we're gonna make from this, but I'm just gonna be doing surveys for hours and see how much I can make. Target goal is $5 to $10. If I can make $5 to $10, I can find something on eBay to resell to get to maybe 20. Then after 20, I don't know, we'll maybe put it in some stocks. We'll see. I don't know, it's gonna get crazy. So yeah, I'm about to do surveys for a little minute and check back in later. So I then began to do survey after survey after survey. So yeah, I've been doing surveys for the past hour, and we got to $2.90 straight profit, boy. So I could keep doing surveys and go mentally insane, or I can figure out something to do with these $2.90. I can buy a McChicken meal with that. I really want to make this interactive though. Tell me what you guys want to see me do with this $2.90. It's a challenge. Tell me what you guys want to see. But if not, if you guys don't tell me anything, I'll just have to resort to putting it into a bunch of risky penny stocks or investing it in the market. Which, I mean, maybe I'll get like 50 cents off of that. But with $3, if you put $3 in the market, it's not gonna do much. So yeah, we'll see what I can do with $2.90. But the total is $2.90 so far off of $0. So we're getting somewhere. But yeah, I'll see y'all next episode.